welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest advancements in AI technology. Today we are spotlighting Open-Sora, a groundbreaking open source project democratizing video generation. Whether you are a developer, researcher, or content creator, Open-Sora might be your new best friend for generating stunning AI-powered videos. So, Open-Sora is not just another AI model, it's a comprehensive framework for efficient, high-quality video generation. Launched by HPC AI Tech, this initiative is designed to simplify video creation through AI while making the technology accessible to everyone. It's open source, powerful, and scalable. Okay, so let's go through quickly through the core features. So it's a high efficiency. Open-Sora uses advanced comprehension techniques like 3D VAE, enabling better handling of video data while keeping quality intact. Customizable, train and fine-tune the model with your own datasets using Cell AI's acceleration feature. Scalable output generates 2 to 4 seconds videos, 512 by 512, with minimal computational requirements. Perfect for prototyping or creating artistic short clips. It's open collaboration. Okay, so with detailed documentation and tools, it's easy for the community to build upon this project. So let's go and break it down the technology which is behind the whole thing. Okay, so video pre-processing. Open source includes pipelines to process raw video data into a usable training datasets. 3D VAE. This comprehension tool reduces data size without sacrificing detail, making video generation faster. Rectified flow and score conditioning. These techniques enhance motion consistency across frames. Diffusion models. By leveraging 3D temporal spatial attention, Open-Sora excels at capturing intricate video dynamics. So now let's go and quickly cover how to get started with the whole thing. Okay, so it's very simple. So you need to clone the Open-Sora repository from GitHub, and then you need to install the dependencies. Python 3.1 and CUDA support are recommended in this case, and use the provided pre-trained weights or fine-tune your own model. Okay, the examples are here, so you can go ahead and just go and go step by step on how to do it. Okay, and just like that, Open-Sora will create 2 to 4 seconds videos with stunning visuals. Okay, so now let's talk about the real-world applications of the whole thing. So for Open-Sora versatility is perfect for a variety of applications. Okay, creative projects from storytelling to art create unique visuals effortlessly. Research to test new AI techniques for video synthesis. Education teach AI concepts using real interactive outputs. Okay, imagine typing robotic city at night and seeing it come to life. It's so many different ways you can use this particular one. Okay, so why Open-Sora matters? Open-Sora is more than just technology. It's a movement. By offering an accessible platform, it empowers users worldwide to explore and innovate in the AI space. Plus, it's an open innovation for collaboration, inviting you to enhance and expand the project. Okay, the future of Open-Sora, the roadmap includes longer video generation, more intricate motion controls, and tools for real video applications. The possibilities are really endless. Okay, so ready to dive into the Open-Sora? Okay, check out Open-Sora on GitHub and Hugging Face, experiment with it, create something amazing, and share your results. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI content. Thank you very much for watching.